We're here with KV, who's 31. She used to be KS, or KAS, right? And she's been in Ortho-k for what, like 1,000 years?
15.
Yeah. So you started when you were really, really super young. And fill us in a little bit as to how this has gone for you.
Well, starting at a young age, definitely struggled to see the board. Eventually I was able to, get to the front of the class, as I told a younger patient who got into Ortho-k in the past 2 years. So I saw a lot of benefits on that side of things. But as I got older and now working on a computer for 9-10 hours a day, the biggest piece that I struggled with was being able to see all the data in an Excel spreadsheet or a Google spreadsheet. And finally came back to you after almost 6 years and was able to get a new prescription and was able to kind of see clearly, not struggling to kind of like having to like constantly look away all the time, and being able to like work through all my data sets has been a lot easier, definitely.
Yeah. So we had started when you were, what, 16 or so?
Oh my gosh, no. I was in the 5th grade.
5th grade, wow. Wow, that's even younger, so that's 10. Wow, so you've been in Ortho-k now for 21 years.
That's math was, remember, I'm not an accountant.
That's awesome. So we had started Ortho-k, you'd been in Ortho-k for a long while, and then you moved down to Florida, and I referred you to a colleague down there, and I have a lot of respect for him. When you came back, there was a little bit of a change. We had you be out of the lenses for a while. We called that a washout period. We then took new topographies, shapes of the front part of the eye, a scan, and then I designed new lenses. And that's, I think, in part why you're now able to see a lot more clearly on the computer, as well as seeing down, go off at a distance. What do you notice in terms of driving?
When I drive at night, I'm not like as impacted by all like the lights, especially if it's raining from that side of things. So I'm not like, freaking out that I can't see. Right
now you see down to better than a 20/20. So that's awesome. Your corneas look beautiful. There's no power at all that you need. You're able to just see clearly. The benefit is that you didn't have to do LASIK. Not that that was ever a consideration, but here, because we're not cutting the eye, okay, you're just able to see clearly, and you're not taking any risks that are associated with LASIK. Unfortunately, I see patients who've had LASIK, and essentially LASIK makes the cornea thinner, and when the cornea is thinner, it starts to bulge. And that's why people after LASIK find that they become nearsighted again, because there's less integrity of the cornea. Here, the beauty of this is that we're not cutting anything, and you're able to see awesome day, night, on computer, elsewhere. I'm just so happy with how things are working out for you.
Thanks.
Anything else you'd like to add?
You're the best doctor I know. Glad to be back in New Jersey.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you.